whoever chose this lapis lazuli, so this reading is for you. Let's see what are their feelings and energies towards you. What is your person thinking and feeling about you? What are their current feelings and energies? Spirit, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energy? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity, Spirit. Burning Tower. Prince. Two of Sons. Eight of Spears. Three of Sons. And bottom of the deck, Temperance. Okay, so you might be dealing with fire signs, especially Sagittarius. So you or your person might be Sagittarius or Aries. I can see a lot of fire energy here, only fire I can see, and very few of you might be having the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Okay, rest all is very fiery energy. Okay, something suddenly happened, okay, in between you, and you broke up. Now you both are not in communication. Okay, so temperance means this person wants to have a balance in this connection right now. How they are feeling right now, so they want to have a balance in this connection. So they feel that it is imbalanced. Maybe earlier you gave him a lot, and that person didn't return that much affection or attention, whatever it is. So now this person want to have equal give and take, or balance in their life. Okay, so the burning tower, so that means something very unexpected and sudden thing happened in this person's life. So maybe you both are not talking, so no communication, no contact. Maybe for this pile also, I feel that maybe you both are not talking from past 1 year. So near to 1 year, maybe 11 months, 10 months, or 1 year. So suddenly after he or she got separated from you, they got had some sudden fallout. Okay, so sudden something unexpected happened in their life. Everything damaged, crashed, so came to ashes. Okay, so now this person feels maybe they lost the job, or they had some health issues. So like this, something sudden thing happened in their life which made them to realize your worth. Okay, that is for your own good. Okay, so now they are thinking about you. Why I didn't give attention to this person, or why I neglected this person, or why I didn't respect or give value to this person. So now they are thinking, they are looking back and thinking, why did I behave like this with the person. So now they know your worth, they know your value. So now they are in a kind of a page of wands energy. Okay, so they are not completely changed, but they are kind of thinking passionately about you. They want to communicate, they want to talk to you, because they want to know you more, what you are doing, what you are thinking right now. And they are spying on you and stalking also. So they are searching information about you, they are keeping an eye on you, maybe in social media, or they are talking to your mutual friends or something like that. So definitely they are strongly in a waiting energy. The two of wands and three of wands means this is a long distance relationship, and they are waiting for you. Even though they have options, but still they want to choose you. So they feel that you both are somehow soulmates or connected to each other. So they want to work on this relationship right now with the eight of spheres. Now they want to work, they want to put efforts in this connection. Earlier they were just running. Okay, they were a runner and you were a chaser at one point of time in your life. but now they want to work on this connection or relationship, and they want to put their efforts. Okay, so now they want to make it a success, a successful relationship. So they want to offer you a world to you, because they want to choose you, because even though they have the other option, they want to choose you and give their world, whatever they have. So they want to give it to you, maybe financially or emotionally, whatever it is. So they want to give it to you. So let's pull more cards to know their energy. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 2? What are their feelings and energies towards my pile 2? What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 2? Spirits and angels, please give clarity and guidance. Okay, some same cards I got in the pile 1 also. Maybe if you want to see pile 1, you can see. Okay, wow, two cards are coming together again and again. Okay, let's see. Let's pull more cards. Spirits and angels. First one is the Hanged Man. Next, the Wheel of Fortune. And 8 of Pentacles. Okay, in the first spread also we got 8 of Pentacles. Let's see. Now this person definitely want to work on this connection. Knight of Cups. They want to come towards you. They want to take action. 3 of Pentacles. And Knight of Swords. Wow, very nice. 2 knights energy. That means this person definitely want to come towards you, and they want to take action now, very swift action. But they are hanged in a hanged man position, but they want to take action and come towards you. So now, right now, they are not able to move, or little bit earlier they were in a hanged man position. Now the wheel is turning into your favor, and one cycle you will complete with this person and move to the next. Maybe this no communication or misunderstandings, everything will clear, and you will go to the next cycle, because wheel is turning. So not only happiness will be there forever, not sadness will be there forever. So this wheel is revolving, right? I mean, we will have everything. So now, until now, whatever sadness you have faced or whatever tears you shed, everything will be gone. So now you will have a happy times with this person. So that is what even this person wants also. So they are also waiting for the right time. Till now they were in a hanged man position, maybe because they were working on their finances, maybe they joined a new job. Okay, because last the burning tower says that maybe unexpected things happened, or maybe between you, or maybe after separation he got something unexpected happened, and which made them realized your value, worth. Okay, so now this person wants to come towards you like a Knight of Swords or Knight of Cups. But if you observe carefully, this person is not in a king position. Please understand that. Still, this person is in a position of page or knight. Okay, so they are not completely in king's position. So you have to think like whether I should trust this person, whether I should allow this person to come to my life again. So that is up to you. So I can see this, definitely this person, maybe recently he got a new job. Earlier when you broke up, maybe at that time he lost the job or health issues, something happened. But now maybe recently he got a new job, maybe they are working hard on that, or maybe they want to work on this situation and this connection, and they are trying to learn more and more how to behave with you, how to deal with you. Maybe they are learning, because 3 of Pentacles means it is apprentice card. So this person is learning new things in their life. Okay, and at the same time they want to come towards you like a knight. But Knight of Cups is a very positive energy I can feel here. This Knight of Swords, meaning ferocious, angry. This is kind of you. I feel that whoever chose this pile, no, I feel that you both are twin flames, because I can see love also here, I can see hate also here. So that means love and hate relationship this is, because Knight of Swords is a very angry, ferocious, or hasty person. And Knight of Cups means very romantic, emotional. Okay, so they care about people, they love. Okay, so this is both energies are there. That means maybe you both are twin flames. Okay, get it checked by someone. Okay, so that is what they definitely they want to come towards you. Not only communicate, they want to communicate also, and they want to physically come towards you and have a communication, maybe heart to heart conversation. So definitely they will take action. So now we will see the advice. Okay, from the universe we will see one advice card. Angels and spirit guides, please give one advice card. So 14 and 12 may be important for you, the numbers. Okay. What is the advice card, spirit? Okay. Death. So that means something is ending and it is restarting again. So universe is saying that what is happened is happened. Now you can start afresh. Okay. Universe is saying death. Death means whatever dead, you leave it and wait for the um, new generating or something like that, death and rebirth. Okay, wait for the rebirth of the same person. Let that person transform. Don't be in a hurry, don't be in a tension or a haste. Let this person transform. So they are universe is saying that this whatever connection you are having, you thought it is dead. Okay, so you thought it is ended already. So universe is saying that no, wait, let this person transform, or your connection is transforming. That's what universe is trying to say. Okay, so wait for the transformation, don't be in a hurry. So let's pull some messages from your person. So let's pull some messages from your person. Let's pull some messages from your person. Oh my god, so many messages. I don't know how long this reading will take. Don't have regrets. This is sweet memory for lifetime. Okay, so they are saying that don't feel bad or regret that you involved this person, but they are sweet memories. Engagement, definitely they want to have engagement with you. I miss you, sure. Wishing you were with me right now. I wish I had treated you better. Don't force me to commit. Yeah, as I told you that they need time. Okay, so give them some time. My love for you is unconditional. Definitely they love you. So now they started feeling. There is so much I want to say to you. Yeah, because you are not in communication, right? They want to say so many things. I didn't know how to fix this. I couldn't let get close to me. Yeah, earlier they didn't treat you well. They didn't let you get close to them. It was my fault, but I blamed you. I'm waiting for your call or text, but you should wait for them. No need to call or text. You are like a mirror to me, and it scares me. As I told you already, I feel that you both are having in a twin flame journey. So same thing they are also feeling. Let's pull some initials of your person. Let's see. O N R J H W Q F K U Y C V and A. Okay, so these initials may be in your person's first name, middle name, last name. So take it however it resonates, friends. That's all I have for you. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel, and also have patience with me, friends. This month I'm busy, but from next month I will do more and more readings for you. Maybe weekly 3-4 times I'll do the readings. Okay, so please have a patience with me. Thank you. Until next reading, bye. Whoever chose this carnelian, this reading is for you. Let's see what are their current feelings and energies towards you. What are their current feelings and energies towards you? What are their current feelings and energies towards you? Whoever chose the third pile, what are their person's current feelings and energies towards them? Pope, the Hermit, Nine of Stars, Cardinal, Justice, and Two of Stars. Suns, sorry, not stars, Two of Suns. Okay. So whoever chose this the carnelian, so I feel that this person, whomever you are dealing with, they are strongly air signs like Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So they are fiery, little bit egotistical, and they are very stubborn. Then for some people it is narcissistic. Okay, so you can find all these qualities in your person. So right now you are struggling actually, so you don't know whether to stay in this connection or whether to move away. Or for some of you, this person might be your ex, so you just want to know whether this person will come back into your life or not, or what are their current feelings, you want to know. Because they are not talking to you, no communication, no contact, so you want to know what is happening. So we can see all the strong cards here. One is Pope, Hermit, then Cardinal, all major arcanas here. Justice. Okay, what this person is feeling right now. So definitely they are passionate towards you, and there is waiting energy. They want to have you in their life. They want to choose you even though they have options, but still they want to choose you. They want to offer you their life, okay, their world, whatever they have, they want to offer you. There is such a sweet energy or such an innocent energy. So this person is waiting actually. So maybe this person is not with you, they're staying far away from you. Then this person is not able to meet you, or this person is because of his ego, his or her ego or pride, they are not moving towards you. Okay, because I feel that this person is maybe a celebrity or a well-known person or a famous person. So Pope, meaning he's a very respectful person, maybe a politician or some spiritual person. So this person has a lot of respect in the society, and this person is um, trustworthy. Okay, but at the same time, for some of you, this person is like a divorced person. I can see that this person is a divorced person, single person. They don't have anybody in their life actually. So they are a single person. They are divorced, and they are very powerful, strong, headstrong, I can say. They don't want to bend to anybody. They are very kind of maybe they are in police or military. Okay, so they are very highly influential person. Maybe they have many contacts. Okay, so that is the reason they are famous, and people respect them a lot. But they are in a hermit mode. They are intellectual, intelligent person, and they are in a hermit mode. They are trying to know themselves, what they want in life actually. So what they want to do with you. So they are now thinking actually, they are confused, they don't know what to do, they are meditating, they are thinking, soul searching. Okay, so but they are gathering information about you. It is nothing like they are not interested in you. They are very much interested. They want to come towards you, but they don't have the what can I say? I mean, they don't want to bend down. I mean, they don't want to take a first move because they are very prideful and egotistical. So this person is trying to gather information about you. They are asking everybody, maybe your mutual friends or relatives or anybody. Okay, so they are gathering information about you, definitely. Okay, they are away from social media. They are not socializing much now. Maybe they are spending time with their own family, and they are not meeting any friends or going out or parties or pubs. Okay, so they are right now retreating. Okay, so I'm, and also I can see that this person is not able to sleep at night. They are in a lot of pain. Maybe health issues are there. Maybe they are missing you. I can see that this person is in a very painful situation and they are crying at night. Maybe they are waking up at middle of the night because they are alone, so they don't know how to they don't want to stay alone actually, but they don't want, at the same time they don't want anyone to enter in their life. They want you only. So I feel strongly that this is kind of a X energy. So now this person is feeling very sad actually, so they don't know what to do. They are crying at night. They're feeling so lonely and low. So that is what I can feel from this person as of now. And they are kind of as I told you already, there were a lot of stalking energy in this pile. Okay, so they are stalking you, they are searching for you in the internet or something like that. But they are not socializing it with anybody. But definitely they are getting your information. They are very high stalking energy. Maybe they kept some stalkers also. I don't know, but they are observing each and every move of yours, where you are going, what you are eating, whom you are meeting. So everything they are trying to gather the information, and they want justice in this connection. Somehow they feel they are betrayed. Okay, so for some of you, so maybe they are not able to digest that you left them. Okay, maybe you were the chaser and they were the runner earlier, so they didn't expect that you leave them so suddenly. So that is the reason they are into painful energy, and they want justice in this connection. They feel that you should come back to them. Okay, so now let's pull more cards about this person. What are their current feelings and energies towards you? What are their feelings and energies towards you, pile 3? What are their feelings and energies towards you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Knight of Cups. Okay, so definitely they want to take action and come towards you. Ten of Wands. They are stuck into a lot of responsibilities. Six of Pentacles. Now they want to have equal give and take. Eight of Pentacles. They want to work on this connection, or they are working on their financial situation right now. The Sun. Wow. So they want to have children with you. Maybe already you have children with them. So they want to have a happy family with you. And Five of Swords. Okay, so they are in a defensive energy, as I told you already. So this person is egotistical. They want to win the battle actually. So they are not thinking about what are the pros and cons. If I win this battle and if I lose these relationships, then what is the use of this winning? So it is hollow winning, right? It is not a real win. So this person, because of their ego and pridefulness, they want to win this battle or win this fight. They don't want to make a first move towards you. So they want you to come to them. But they waited for a long time. Maybe this connection I can see maybe years. Very slow moving energy I can see. Okay. So this might be, you might have got separated from so many years. Now this person is feeling the difference when you were there, how their life, and when you are not there with them, how their life right now. So they know the difference. Now they want to come towards you. Knight of Cups means they want to take action, they want to come towards you, they want to express their love, they want to listen to you, what they want, what you want to say. And they want to be romantic, and they want to be pure. Okay, so they want to express their love and share the cup of love. So now they are coming towards you. And this person whomever you are asking about, they have lot of burdens on their shoulders. That's why they walked away from this connection. Maybe financial burdens, I can see. So maybe some problems in their job, or they lost job, and they have full family responsibilities on their shoulders. Maybe this person is the elder son or a daughter, so elder child in their family. So that is the reason they have to take care of all their family, whole family, maybe parents and siblings. They have to take care. So that is the reason they have lot of responsibilities on their shoulders. That's why they walked away. So now they want to have the equal give and take balance in this connection. So Six of Pentacles means they want to have equal give and take, and they want to do the charity. But in other context, they want you to keep in their life as somebody, like always they will be giving and you will be taking. So you can see he's donating some money to beggars. Can you see? So now they want to have the authority on you. They want to keep you under themselves. And they will be giving you, maybe they want to shower money on you to win you back. Maybe they will try that. Be careful. So they want to spend a lot of money on you to win you back. Okay, they want to show their power in terms of money. Okay, and they want to win you back. And right now they are working very hard on their money and career. Maybe they started a new business, or started some new job or something. Not new job, I can say new business only, because they're working hard on their pentacles. Okay, they are working hard on their finances. But whatever it may be, they want a happy family with you. That's all their wishes. Maybe that is in any way they want to win you at any cost. Okay, so they maybe they want to give you more money to win you back, but they want you in their life. That's all I can see here. And they want to have a sunshine in their life. You are like their sunshine. Otherwise you are not there, nothing is there in their life. That's what they feel. And they want to have children with you. Maybe they want to have a son with you. Okay, so a lot of things I can feel. And they want to travel with you around the world. Okay, they have lot of dreams, but finally they are taking action with Knight of Cups. Okay, let's pull one guidance card. Spirit, let's pull. Please give us one guidance card for this connection. Please give one guidance card for this connection. Please give one advice card. Okay, one card flew away. Wow, justice. Twice justice. So definitely universe is saying that you both need to have justice in this connection. Maybe you feel that you didn't have the justice, but the other person also is feeling the same way. Maybe you both are married and divorced, and right now you are asking about your ex, or you both will marry each other. Okay, justice card means it is a marriage card also, or some legal battles are also there in this connection. So please take it how it resonates, friends. But the universe is saying you will get the justice. Let's pull some messages from your person. Let's pull some messages from your person. Okay, we have enough cards now. Let's see. I want to grow old with you. How nice it is. They want to grow old with you. That means they want to be with you for lifetime. You are like my mirror, like a mirror to me, and it scares me. Maybe yours is a twin flame connection for some of you. I know I messed up everything. Yes, he is repenting now, regretting now. I look for you everywhere. Now they are thinking about past, and they are looking for you everywhere. Addictions are affecting your love life. Maybe this person is drinking, or some addictions this person have. Children are affecting this connection. Okay, maybe children are there, that's the reason they are not coming. I can see that this person is divorced person. Maybe this person is having a child, or you have a child. So they are saying that children are affecting this connection. You can never know if you have truly in love until you get separated. Now they are missing you after separating. This distance have been killing me. Yes, definitely. Maybe this is physical distance or emotional distance, but still this distance have been killing me. Okay, the person. Financially unstable. Yes, definitely. This person is financially unstable. We can see with the Eight of Pentacles card. Fear of rejection. They feel that you will reject them because of their ego and pride. They don't want to come and get rejected. I'm not the right person. They say that because I feel that they have some addictions, and they say they feel that they are not up to you. So they feel that yeah, they are not the right person. Fear of commitment. Okay. So fear of rejection, fear of commitment. That is the reason this person is not coming. So this person is not capable of give you commitment. That's what they feel because of their addictions or instability or financially unstable. So that is the reason this person is not coming to you, but not so long. This person will come back to you. Let's pull some initials about this person. Who is this person? W, D, U, G, I. G fell down. G, then S, L, B, V, E, okay, then A, T, and X. Yeah, I told you this person might be your ex also. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. And please have patience with me, friends. This month I am busy, but from next month I'll be free. I'll be doing more and more readings for you. Until the next reading, bye.